Welcome back to another video update. Second half of this will be a odd session. I've been getting ready for some stuff. Hope you all had a great new year. Hope your new year's going pretty well. So hang tight, be right back. Let's check out what I've been doing since the last video. Alright, so the first thing I got for you guys is the engine facility area has been detailed. I should say not detailed, but scenic. I put trees in. There's my steam locomotive. Put more trees right there. Create a view block. I'm going to get some of those Woodland Scenic plug and play lights put over there by that, right here by this building. So hold on a second, I'll show you what else has been going on. All right, over here, my granddaughter's got me some deer for Christmas. So I've got a deer place right there. He's in the city. I don't think he realizes he's in the city, but that's where my granddaughter wanted to put him, so that's where we put it. So another thing I did get for Christmas is these guardrails. I got 2 sets of guardrails, one right there. I'll show you the other one. It's pretty cool. I mean, they're really cool. They're by a Japanese company, I think Tomatalk. So those were bought for me, so I'm pretty stoked. Put a guardrail there. I'll show you where the other one's at. All right, there's the other guardrail. It just looks cool. It completes the scene. So I'm happy with the way my guardrails turned out. More trees over here. Show you my hobo scene I put in. So my hobos were also part of a Christmas present. So I put a little hobo scene. Let me see if I can get a better video shot of it. I got 3 little hobos there hanging out, waiting for the next train to come by. Hope the yard master doesn't catch him. The yard employees. Cops come by and knock these guys out. So hang tight, show you else what's going on. Alright, so on this side of the railroad, I put in another crossover right here. So this is so trains can get from the main down there with the siding, come over here, cross over, take this track, and this track will eventually make its way to the upper level. I've got the cork down. As you can see, it goes around right where the spatula is at, and then comes back around this way. And then that's as far as I've gotten. So I'll keep rising that up to get to the second level. I'm not in a rush to get to the second level, but that's the plan. Another thing I've done is I put a switch here, and this switch here goes all the way down to the brewery. As you can see right here, you can take a hopper car, and then right here you have 3 box cars. Right here is a tank car. I'm scratch building a building to go right here for the tank car. This track right here, the sole purpose of this track is to get the hopper car, or the grain car I should say, that's going to sit here. So this track will accommodate 1 grain car and 1 locomotive. So that's the whole point of that track. The other thing I am going to do is I'm going to cut another piece of wood so I can get a lead track or tail track in here. And then I may put another building in there. I don't know. Probably not. So then let me show you what my other future endeavors are. So hang tight. So what else I plan on doing? Oh yeah, those legs right there are to raise the bench work up to 44 inches height. But that's going to be sometime in the near future. But the biggest plan I have is right here where the bookshelf is. About the width of the bookshelf, maybe a little bit narrower. I'm going to put some industry in here. And it's going to connect to over here somewhere. So that gives this Colton job some work to do. I'm also going to put a rival departure track right here to also access that area, but also to stage trains going out to the layout during an operating session. As you can see, it is staged for an operating session. So on the second half of this video, you will see the operating session. So hang tight, be back. Talk to you guys later. Well, we will know.
Moving at this end.
As long as I keep moving, I'm good.
Looking good, Art. Here, here, here. Quit this.
I'm thinking it's the temperature in here.
That's the problem? Global warming or what?
I think this is operator error over here. I don't think it has anything to do with the temperature.
Because I was setting it up last week, and everything ran flawlessly.
Sure. That's what they always say.
Yeah, well, if the guy on the throttle knew he was going frontwards or backwards instead of sideways, he'd be okay.
That's what I was going to do. I get this way. There we go. Up the hill, guys. Up the hill. Up the hill. Okay, let's see. Let's go. We're going to come over here. Over here. Over here. Over here. Whoa now. Whoa, Betty. Set the brakes on those guys. You can't just let those go like that. That's all downhill.
Well, it starts downhill.
Ain't going downhill now. You got the brakes set on that puppy. Can I come out and use the main for a moment?
Yes. I will hold up in the coal mine area.
I'm not going to be long. You just need to do a runaround. All I have to do is steady my hand, I'm all right. I think I'll go this way. Oh, caboose needs weight.
You're good right there. Let me uncouple you. Oop, went wrong way. All right. Ahead.
Okay.
Come on in. Hold up. Bringing the coal to the power plant. To the docks.
At least that's for you. No, I didn't want to do that. This.
What do they call it? Mike, you time out? You can't drive anymore?
Dead on the law, dead. You know,
And we'll send a van out to pick you up.
you're dead, huh? Well, I didn't even do that. Yeah, I didn't do that. Might turn out for me over there, Mike. It must be. I'm headed the right way.
You want to go
I
this
want
way?
to go. No, I go in this way.